Have you ever wondered how chef Candy Walnuts, you know, when they make this crispy sweet crust on the top of them? And usually you find them at the Christmas time and they are so delicious. Let me show you how we do that. To candy walnuts you will need sugar, water and walnuts. Combine the sugar and water in a small saucepan to make a simple syrup. So bring to a boil and make sure the sugar is dissolved and boil the liquid for about 1 minute. Good. Then add the walnuts. Let them steep in the sugar for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The walnuts have been in the syrup for about 20 minutes. Now well toasted in the liquid. Drain well. Place on a cooking sheet. Make sure that the walnuts do not touch each other. Bake the walnuts for about 30 to 35 minutes. The walnuts have been in the oven for 35 minutes. Let's have a look. So they have dried out. So before we can use them, we have to let them cool down totally for about half an hour.